If you're looking to integrate Folk CRM with Outlook, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to sync these two powerful tools so you can streamline your customer relationship management process. Stick around because I'll also give you an exclusive bonus at the end to get started with Folk CRM for free. You'll want to stay till the end for that. First, let's get familiar with Folk CRM. Folk is a highly flexible customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses stay organized and manage client interactions with ease. It's great for both small teams and large enterprises, offering seamless contact management, notes, and task tracking, all in one place. The best part? It's fully customizable, so you can tailor it to fit your specific workflow. Now, let's talk about integrating Folk CRM with Outlook. If you're already using Outlook to manage your emails and calendar, integrating it with Folk will save you time and make tracking customer communications effortless. To start, you'll need to have an active Folk CRM account. Once you're logged in, go to your settings. From there, find the Integrations tab on the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of apps that Folk supports, and luckily, Outlook is one of them. Click on the Outlook integration option, and you'll be prompted to log into your Outlook account. This part is important because it ensures that the two platforms can talk to each other. Once you've signed in, you'll grant Folk permission to access your Outlook data. The next step is syncing your contacts. Folk CRM will automatically sync the contacts from your Outlook account to the CRM. This means all your emails, calendar, events, and contacts will be available in Folk without you needing to input anything manually. It's all about making your life easier by eliminating redundancy. Now, one feature I really love about this integration is that Folk also pulls in your emails directly into your CRM. You can view email threads, reply, and track communication with clients all from within the Folk interface. It's perfect for keeping everything in one place, reducing the need to switch between apps all the time. You'll even be able to log tasks and set reminders based on your emails. As for calendar integration, when you connect Outlook with Folk, any events or meetings you schedule in Outlook will automatically appear in Folk's dashboard. This allows you to have your whole schedule at your fingertips without having to juggle between platforms. For those of you who use email templates in Outlook, don't worry. Folk CRM integrates with your templates too, making it seamless to send templated emails directly from the CRM. You'll have more time for what matters most, building and maintaining relationships with your clients. To make sure the integration runs smoothly, Folk CRM allows you to choose exactly which aspects you want to sync. So if you don't want your entire contact list, for example, to be transferred, you can adjust the settings to fit your needs. It's all about control and customization, which makes Folk such a flexible tool. In addition, syncing is automatic. So once everything is set up, you won't have to worry about manually updating contacts or calendar events. Folk will keep everything up to date for you, saving you tons of time. For new users, the setup process might seem a little intimidating, but it's really quite simple. You don't need to be a tech expert to integrate Outlook with Folk CRM. In just a few clicks, you'll be up and running. And now, as promised, I have an exclusive offer for you. By clicking the first link in the description below, you can get started with Folk CRM completely free. Plus, you'll also gain access to exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software. So don't miss out. Grab your extended free trial today. To recap, integrating Folk CRM with Outlook is simple and helps streamline your workflow. With automatic syncing of emails, contacts, and calendar events, you'll save time and manage client interactions more efficiently. And remember, if you're new to Folk CRM, make sure to grab your extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching.